In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi K70 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Password Manager. First of all, open Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now it's time to tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current screen lock. Finally, hit the delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!